Igbo Igbo. Ekele m ụnụ Lolo Nneka Chimezie ni kwa ị ga-ewetara ụnụ ọnọdụ. Ana m ewetara ụnụ ọnọdụ. Biko ihe a na m ga-eme ya in series. Ihe a part 1. Ndị gara eke ka iwuru onye Igbo ihe Igbo na-amasị. Ụnụ ndị Igbo chọrọ ka Igbo dị mma, biko ị ga-akawa ahụ gechaa ya. Then ị ga-etosa like ya. Achọrọ m revisit the security situation na Southeast. Whose fault is it? The security situation. Now, we man, I mean, security, the insecurity. I am with the peace, serious peace na Igbo. Now, then recently, when I now, I reportation here that security. Now, I talk change the story. Now, I talk doctor the story. Then when my very good brother, man is go to man, one of the best bloggers I will go so far, who tries to balance the reports. But sometimes information I'm what they call or something. When I gather information either by Yande Madagwaya or go within the social media, but in all and I be very honest about it. Or they passionate. So I greet you, my brother, but today we work and a comprehensive report. Comprehensive report. The security situation non ali. When I play being a narration with me na Yambaba, you know, and when some of our journalists na we're right, then freedom of speech. But I they encouraged by report hanenye on the one-sided. A journalist question is very, very neutral. Make your effort, make research, we put on news because you are educating the public. In here, I know I want they involved in journalism. 50% of all journalists now, the way you report to war, we hand the money they believe. So journalism does a lot. But I think they will work more honey weapon and all that. So I can try as much as possible to balance the report. And come all that thing, that report then where was it go? Like I said, I may again part 1, part 2, part 3. Then security report on South East Patam Jina, Wakande Kenya Yelite, Tion on Ihe na Ali. We can pour that in. That's your
some people na call them that na Yambaba will go no stage in Kia stage and Kiabro the real truth. One will go no didn't dodge graduate we are not on the ESN more on the IP more on the canon of our go to Choco. Mana na able Lolo Nneka Chimezie after in Kenya only put at non diamond Nigeria be a photo to Choco. Now my friend Choco Luna ever. Hana Bobundin Taco journalist. Now, Lolo Nneka Chimezie made an investigation in here. Where men chop, but when I go on down in Nigeria, be about a photo to work. Follow me carefully. Now, Yambaba, we put that no make investigation in here. And you go down from where you family when I call the P family Hannah. Now, Lolo Nneka Chimezie said that's not down about a photo to work. She is not lying. Negamentio. Like our own by our child, they need to call Hanya before we can go to find you. When you take a watch, I see it. That's the actually different time for monkey base. Now, Yambaba Japan, when it was starting to 2 years where Yambaba is also not lying because only nobody will hear family Hannah. Now, I ain't talking what I hear. Oh, put on the mad meat, you know, they are maybe Yanafa cooperated edge, whatever I call to. But you ain't talking about this whole scenario, you need a for Anna because Hannah won't cannot watch.
And that vat, and yeah, well, that vat, I have my part vat to hack. I bet you.
Getting the Bujel, Kedifa pleading in the army. Nijebe to question number 1. Kedifa battalion, Kedifa, Luton and Army, they were photo to the extend now Babale to Kedifa to that thing. Yeah, question. The result. Because you know, see that none that cause you family fan. Or from one normally family family has you do. Do you understand? My stand on social media book I do.
Okay. One name work I think at this point. I want to go more Ihem Choro and I will take it off from here. kedu ihe kpatara ndị amị ji wee gawa eke ụtụtụ? Ihe gbasara eke ụtụtụ, because ọ dị mma na ebido kọwa akụkọ a from eke ụtụtụ. Ihe awụ the early places anyị bido nwee flash points in security. Na ihe eji wee kpọta ndị amị in the first place, let me tell you, my brother, and onye Igbo ọbụla na-ege m ntị, ocha ntị gị ọfụma, and that is why m ji na-akpọ maka this unit na-akpọ maka ya. Na ihe eji wee kpọta ndị amị in the first place ogwu ka relax at home. The ESN has been with us since 2020. I am working insecurity. Atom can differentiate criminal activities from ESN, autopilot, Biafran Liberation Army. Remove criminal activities from the Nazon. Because I think back and then I back and then you won't be one me and admit all the dangerous. Because when when do she know and that they're quite responsible, no, just like again a police. Ndoshi no nda manwe ndị quite responsible no okwe na water. So that is why you when the police to fight crime. And then when the police so shock by the time the police ga bia the rope ya dismiss ya ga say face her trial. And that there's the police ni la wola ndoshi. Anya hu na ndami bu egbe na ebi ha wure chente wure go oshi. Ihe a na-emewe jide ha and that's no ndami ni nso shi no na say na aga the rope onya trial because we criminal lives in our midst. Now, when the IPOB bidro sit at home, the governor Bagariwa, and I I'm one of them, the cautious say, this sit at home and I'm back of Monday. It was again, so because criminals may go infiltrate for safety, the man one Nulu. After all, during lockdown, COVID, I know Nulu for 3 years or 2 years. I am one. So, how no other Nulu can hook in his saga. Can my grandmother back why you has the thing. But in the natural reaction, the governor in their wisdom got what and damn it. Now, my question oh not that leave one that time, and what they and that everywhere the peaceful or require and damn it. Because the I said when damn it, whether they no better, go and make your research well. Ndami Abiahala, Jaga Joe that or seeing he talk when insecurity I be drew. Or 2022 when Dami Abela. Now, question number one, my question says, Kaji Yoji Wuzim when Dami no dra. He may have peace. So tension not that time. Oh, and then when sit at home, oh, yeah, tension none. Ali would not peaceful. Ono katape kidnap one man, normal kidnapping name everywhere. Ono kate zochi, normally zochi name everywhere. Even the ESN one of the would silent. If not, none the Carlo Potra, Trono, poor high. And what do I get on him more? I think from him gather, the plan don't reveal them. No, near more change, don't reveal them. But oh, yeah, but I took down so I decide I won't bet in Gam Gandhi ESN in a video. So how ESN, you know, on a few occasions, Hannah and the flan in a giddy. How could she, what is going on? I got a part 2 now.